friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change date format in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the date and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see format cell. So just click on it and here select the date. So in date you can see different format of date. So you can select any format according to you. So you can see here you can also select format according to the country. So you can see I selected United States. So you can select anyone. So after selecting, so here you can see date format will be selected according to the country. So in this way you can select any date format in the Excel. So after selecting, click on OK. So you can see the date format is changed. So guys, in this way you can change date format in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.